Welcome back to Rolling Legends, where every drive tells a story. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Mercedes GLC, the luxury SUV that continues to set the bar for refinement, technology, and intelligent performance. Let's take a closer look at what makes this latest generation GLC a standout in the ever-competitive luxury SUV segment. At first glance, the 2026 GLC keeps that familiar, confident Mercedes-Benz silhouette, but with sharper lines, a wider stance, and a more sculpted front fascia. The updated grille with illuminated accents and digital LED headlamps gives it a sleek, futuristic look, something you'd expect more from a concept vehicle than a production SUV. The aerodynamic tweaks aren't just for show. Mercedes has optimized airflow to boost both efficiency and stability at high speeds. Under the hood, the GLC lineup now offers a more electrified approach. The standard engine is a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 paired with a 48-volt mild hybrid system, producing around 255 horsepower. For those craving more punch, the GLC 400 4MATIC variant steps it up with over 300 horsepower and a noticeably more dynamic throttle response. And yes, AMG variants are coming later, with plug-in hybrid performance expected to push boundaries. Inside, the cabin is pure Mercedes luxury. Step in and you're greeted by a minimalist yet high-tech interior wrapped in sustainable materials, soft leather, and ambient lighting that can be customized in dozens of colors. The centerpiece, a massive 14.4-inch OLED touchscreen seamlessly integrated into the center stack, paired with a digital instrument cluster that looks like it was lifted straight out of a sci-fi movie. The latest MBUX system is smarter than ever, offering voice commands that actually work, real-time navigation with augmented reality overlays, and deep integration with your smartphone or smart home. Comfort and practicality haven't taken a backseat either, with slightly more cargo space and rear legroom than the previous generation. The 2026 GLC is even more family-friendly while keeping its luxury DNA intact. Optional massage seats, a panoramic glass roof, and an advanced air suspension system ensure every drive, whether it's across town or cross-country, feels first class. On the road, the GLC remains composed and confident. The steering is crisp, the body stays flat through corners, and road noise is nearly non-existent thanks to improved insulation and active noise cancellation. Mercedes has also added advanced safety and driver assistance features, like the upgraded Distronic adaptive cruise control, enhanced lane centering, and automatic lane change that's smoother than ever. Overall, the 2026 Mercedes GLC doesn't just evolve, it redefines what you should expect from a luxury compact SUV. With its blend of performance, tech, and unmistakable presence, it's clear that Mercedes isn't just keeping up with the future, they're leading it. That's it for today's look at the 2026 GLC. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more reviews like this, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss a ride with us. Thanks for watching Rolling Legends, where the road is just the beginning.